Welcome to our video on the top 9 foods that help protect and repair your vision. Good nutrition is important for maintaining the health of your eyes, and incorporating certain foods into your diet can help improve your vision and prevent eye diseases. In this video, we'll take a look at the 9 best foods for your eyes and explain why they're so beneficial. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with nutrients that are essential for eye health. These foods are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage caused by harmful ultraviolet rays. They also help to reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are great for your eyes because they contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help prevent age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. Berries, especially blueberries, are rich in antioxidants that help to protect the eyes from free radicals, which can cause damage to the cells in the eyes. They also contain high levels of vitamin C, which can help protect your eyes from cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Eggs are a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which we discussed earlier, as well as zinc and vitamin A. These nutrients are important for maintaining the health of the retina and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds, are a great source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect the eyes from free radical damage. They also contain zinc, which is important for maintaining healthy vision. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as beta-carotene, which are all important for eye health. Peppers, particularly bell peppers and chili peppers, are high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect the eyes from cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin. Legumes, such as lentils, peas, and beans, are high in zinc, which is important for maintaining healthy vision. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as other antioxidants that help to protect the eyes from free radical damage. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are a great source of vitamin C, which helps protect the eyes from cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. They also contain flavonoids, which are beneficial for eye health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help improve your vision and prevent eye diseases. Remember to eat a variety of these foods to get the full range of nutrients for your eyes. Always consult your doctor before making any major changes to your diet, and always wear protective eyewear when exposed to UV rays. Thanks for watching.